What is up, everybody? It's your boy Kevin Smiley, and welcome back Kevin RD2 TV, Positive Car Culture channel. As you can see in the title, we're doing a reveal of the Genesis Coupe. Oh my goodness, dude. Ooh, new look. I got a new look for y'all, man. Sheesh, I'm looking at it right now. I'm gonna talk to the ooh man, it's looking good, man. It's looking real good. Y'all gotta wait a second, man. All right, y'all, so I'm not gonna be extra dramatic, man. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the car and see what it looks like. So bam. So yeah, powder coated the wheels like you guys seen in the video of the damage or whatever. This wheel was actually the one that was damaged. We actually replaced it and powder coated it black to match the, you know, all of them powder coated, whatever. So that's like the major thing that I really love about the car right now. I'm glad there's still a little bit of light because I was like trying to get here, trying to beat the I don't know, the time change. Anyways, I can barely even talk. Toyo proxies in the front, left and right, new bumper, fender, everything's, man, it looks really good, man. You did a good job, man. Thank you. Bring my baby back to me. So we have down below, you guys can't see it. We'll probably like do another video of me like showing you and everything like that. You said white line sway bar. What was it? What was the other parts? The end
white
links?
line sway bar, upgraded sway bar, white line end links, Godspeed lower control arms, both front and rear, so they're all adjustable. Yeah. And you're good to go on the track now. It'll be lots safer and more fun. Yeah, exactly. So you guys heard it right there, man. The car is set up. It's, dude, if I need to make any adjustments, I can always make the adjustments or whatever. So I probably won't do anything until I actually get coilovers and see what I can do and everything like that. So yeah, I don't know what else to say, you guys. It's kind of getting dark. Probably do some driving and then continue the video tomorrow when it's light and, you know, just get some pictures of the car. But yeah, that's gonna be it for now, man. I just can't wait to get in this thing, man. All right, you guys, dude, back at the Bat Cave over here. It's literally been like 3 days, dude, since I picked up the car. I've been extremely busy. This time of year, we have the time change where the sun sets and it gets darker an hour earlier than usual. So by the time I get off of work and I get home, like by 5 o'clock, it's already getting dark. So I haven't been able to film anything. So saving this moment for you guys so we can go ahead, pull the car out. We're gonna jack it up and then we're gonna check out all the little goodies and how they look. We're going to clean up the car. We're getting rid of the KTM Cruise sticker. I want to have more of a martyred outlook. The windows will be tinted sometime next week. Wrap Legacy. Just gotta get my appointment all dialed in and everything. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the car. We're gonna check it out and then we're gonna take it for a drive. And I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna tell you how it differs and how it affects your daily driving. It feels good, but it's very different. It takes a learning experience. But let's just go ahead and get started with the next part. All right, you guys, so that should be enough. I'm gonna get my creeper. This thing definitely comes in handy, you guys. This bad boy right here. Get that, bro. It's a stool. It's a stool that turns into an actual creeper. Where's the little pin at? You pull the pin like a grenade, and then you flatten it out. Bam! So I can get up under here and show you guys. Oh man, see, that's what it looks like right there. And then if you look over here, there's the white line sway bar. It's the gray piece right here. I don't know the exact size, but I know it's a certain amount of millimeters thicker than the stock one. And then here's all the components. Lower control arm,
Jesus Christ, man, that thing looks awesome. It look good. Yeah, so there it is, you guys. Sorry I'm out of breath. Oh man, I'm out of shape. But yeah, dude, that's underneath the car. So when you guys are at shows or meets or whatever, if you peek in between the wheels, you can kind of see it. Plus, I'm gonna have the wheels turned sideways. And I'm gonna have to cut this segment short because I gotta hurry up and get the car ready for the big premiere at Cruising by Design Shop today, Sunday. Now, Cruising by Design, my boy Kyle, the gentleman that actually got this car back on the road and did these upgrades. He's actually having a grand opening that we're gonna let the car down. We're gonna say bye-bye to the KDM Cruise stickers for this year. I will be at the 9th annual next year, so make sure you follow KDM Cruise to stay up to date with when the date and the cruise will be announced. But yeah, I gotta go ahead and clean this car up. Then we're gonna get on the road and we're gonna chat a little bit about the changes and everything like that, how it affects the car, and yeah, that's about it. So let's jump into that. All right, so it's time to go for a drive. Just a FYI, things didn't work out the day that I was recording the last clip as far as getting the decals, the KDM Cruise decals off the car. So this is actually being recorded way after Kyle's grand opening. So you'll have to see Kyle's grand opening video, which will be uploaded next. So make sure you subscribe and put on notification bell. So we're gonna go ahead and give a test run on the new mods. So yeah, so white line, sway bar and end links, and Godspeed lower control arms. So let's go ahead and talk about it and drive. One thing that you will notice, I don't know, watch the wheel. So I have to turn the wheel. You see what I just did? I kind of over exaggerated, but that right there is how it feels to have these new components over the stock components, because for some reasons it's kind of hard to explain. The wheel centers itself a lot easier with the stock components. Now these aftermarket components, everything is really tight down there up front. So you have to relearn how to center your wheel. I mean, not like you didn't before, but it's like when it was the stock components, your wheel would always kind of straighten itself out a lot easier. Now you have to muscle memory yourself into putting the wheel back to center when you're turning and stuff like that. It doesn't cause an issue. It's not scary or none of that type of stuff. It actually feels pretty good. Like lane changes are a lot smoother and really rapid. See what I just did there? Lane changes you can make lane changes really rapidly, you know, of course safely and everything like that. But obviously these are track components, so that's what it's meant for. Take it to the track. We won't be going to a track today. We're just going to be doing just a little ride through and talking about how it feels, and then I'll be doing a review in a later video or something like that, so get a feel for it and everything. And I'm gonna chat about the Toyos up front. Feels good. Trash control off, gotta remember that. So yeah, my turn-in is really responsive. Won't be doing too much freeway driving, but say you need to change lanes really rapidly, just see that? I'm gonna do it again. People are gonna be like, what the hell? So I'm just gonna wait a second, watch this. See that? Dude, do not try this at home. That was really a hard pull to the right, dude. But I trust the car. I know what I'm doing. I didn't panic. A lot of times people do stuff like that. They panic, dude, and then they overcorrect. Do not do that type of crap. So the Toyo's up front. We're gonna get off this freeway before someone calls the cops on me and be like, hey, this guy's, he's a drunk driver or something. You know, they're gonna catch my plates. So the Toyo's up front, along with all the components, dude. Jesus Christ, dude, it gives everything that I need up front, dude. So the front of the car has reaction time that's like crazy, dude, so we can avoid what happened, the reason why we're in this situation. It actually turned out great, man. I'm very happy that I was able to get me and Kyle came to the decision to just go ahead and upgrade the suspension components instead of going back to stock. So yeah, thank you, Kyle, for basically helping with that decision. And dude, man, I'm so happy with the car right now, dude. Dude, it's a daily driver, so I'm glad that it's still comfortable. It's different, but it's comfortable. I will tell you, the first day of having the Toyos up front, I got a little like nervous because what will happen, and you guys know, if you have brand new sticky tires up front, the rear wheel drive car, you know, what happens is you get like, I don't know what to call it. It's like lane pull, where the car, the tires are sticking to the road so hard because they're fresh and they're not worn in yet, broken in yet. You get this weird, like, I would like lane change and the wheel would stay in that direction. I have to like do, and then it was an overcorrection thing. So where I would be driving and look at my left hand, I will be doing this like a lot, dude. Like literally like making minor corrections, and it felt like the car wanted to kind of veer left, veer right, veer left, veer right, and it wasn't like saying a true and straight, but that was because of the lines in the road, and it was very sensitive to getting pulled left, right, left, right, and that was just because the tires were fresh. But dude, I'm loving it, dude. I can't be swerving around too much because people are going to be thinking I'm a drunk driver, but I just wanted to get you guys a feel for it and everything like that. So we're going to go ahead and get ready to wrap the video up and get ready for the next one, dude. So I'm so excited for what I got coming. Got to hit the store real quick and get some groceries, and yeah. All right, you guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, man. It feels so good to be back with the Genesis Coupe. The Batmobile is back, and it's looking better than ever, man. The black wheels is something that I've wanted for the longest time. You guys remember the OG people, remember the OG, the bad, the plastic dip stocks or whatever that I had when a lot of you guys might have seen me out there back when I first started at the channel or whatever. That was the look of the car, was blacked out already. Wasn't the best look, didn't like the plastic. It just, I had to do it back then because I wanted the black. The bronze was a look that I got just because, simply because my homie hooked me up, dude. BK 2 Minutes, shout out to him. He hooked me up with the Vordovans, so it was one of those type of things where he was giving me a cool deal on those Vordovans. So I went on and slapped them on there, whatever. That's the reason why I had them. But I always wanted the black look, dude. I'm happy with it. I got more things that I'm gonna be making darker on the car and make it a true Batmobile. Some things I'm gonna be changing, so stay tuned to the channel. Like I said already, hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell. I can't say that enough. If you hit that like button, it helps the YouTube algorithm put my videos out there and helps the channel grow. So I'm very much appreciate it if you do so, and follow me on Instagram. You know what to do. Kev already too. That rhymes, that's funny. But yeah, enough of all that, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on editing this one. The next one you're going to be watching is going to be the grand opening Kyle's shop. I know it's been open for a while, but he did a grand opening car meet. A lot of awesome people showed up and everything like that. Some cool builds. Had a good time, good vibes and everything like that as usual. Thank you again, Kyle, if you're watching this video, man. Thank you again for bringing my baby back to life, dude. And we got more work planned. Well, not only Kyle Rap Legacy, that's gonna be the video after Kyle's video. I'm taking it down to Rap Legacy and getting some things done to it to change it up and make it look even more aggressive than it already does. So stay tuned for that. Already got the content in line ready for you guys to make up for lost time. With that being said, I'm out of here. Just remember, as I say at the end of all my videos, always see the glass half full, not half empty. Stay blessed, stay safe. Remember, legends live forever. Rest easy, Dustin Davis. Rest easy, my friend. Peace.